What a game!
What a game! Yes, both sides.
How did you manage to win Greece?
We just tried to play our basketball, and Greece was also sensational in the first half. They hit a really crazy shot. They got with the momentum to the halftime, but we came out. We didn't want to think about the shot. We wanted to play our game and control Giannis, and that was our goal.
Enormous third quarter against the Greeks, and everything we saw was similar to a game Italy against Serbia. You beat the favorite.
Yeah, we beat the favorite. I mean, a little bit. I think we're still a team that can compete on eye level. Greece is an excellent basketball team. Giannis is one of the best, or not the best player in the world. So it was a tough game for us at the beginning, but we came out confident, and that was our plan.
Did Dirk Nowitzki help you when you saw him?
Well, I think everybody in Germany right now helps you. It's amazing playing at home. I think everybody knows that as a sportsman. That's a big factor.
And what's next? Can you go for gold now?
Hopefully, yes. That's our plan.
So Spain?
Who knows? Whoever comes. We just try to play and we see where we go.
Thank you.